una le batho ba winning di-10 through isikolo. Batho bao ka November month end we are allocating them. Month end November we are allocating them. But we cannot start ka allocator batho ba winning re tlolle batho ba qadileng pele e le lona akere. So process e that's why re pushetsa ka November kwa. Ke kopa ba leng ready ho aha all of them. Please bring your documents, come to the office. Our sympathy would take the allocate the office. We put lots of us told come on. Return kisa ka mona office. I don't deal directly ka planning, right? As soon as we are ready, I'll announce on social media. Kitobula page ya Philippine City. I think it's appropriate for information. Ya TikTok, because TikTok ke ona is the Facebook. So kitse nchatse butwing ke se so ntse. Tsane ai o bua ntho tse ngata mo batho ba ipuela ntho tsa bona. Ha le so nkudu ke bua le o bua ka bona. Ke tsa batho ke tsa banga ba tsona. Re tlo bula ya TikTok now. E tlo bana le logo ya Philippine City and all. The first statement post e tla be le mo e tla be le nna ke address or welcome to Philippine City. Link ya lona ya Philippine City tla be le teng on the bio. Philippine City na le website di bana beso. So le tlo gona access the website through the link. Le gona o bona hore what's happening, what's there, what's going to happen. Le ke rena tla be le jwang. O tlo no we familiarize le o lo phela kae. Bana beso yani ke tropo hara di tropo. Re tlisa bo migrante ka ga Mamela ha le so believe ba re le tlo ke tlo le bontsha nna hore re batho ba pele ba o iketsetsa township in South Africa. A beautiful one at that. Low areas re tla be re shapa ka ditsela tse smart, landscaping proper, re fenseditswe re na le dibungeng. Hami ha kena go tlo bona mane wa botsa go qoke iqatulo zimpura mara ke ya ra mtheleni ukuthi angikho mtheleni ukuthi angikho. All right go home fit bontate ba rona ba iFASCO Academy ke bana nyolo wa ntatwana. iFASCO Academy ke sekolo se seng se setle haholo mane fana Bay Park. Ba etsa education system e tshwanang le mo Broadlands body kolotse king Curo la bona Curo ya ke o Curo la bona Curo ke a sharper standard se tshwanang le seo. Jwale mara when I made partnership with them I told them must remember that ba sebetsa ba gore ka bane re a gotse ka di class tse tharo. So bana ba dikolo itse mona kaofela ba tla kena Curo yani ya private ba tlile ka di taxi re tla bele re ba accommodate le bona ke right tlo ntatwa welcome ke setjhaba sa rona sa Philippine City. Can you please address them on your commitment to Philippine City and how we're going to roll out schools?
Dumelang batswadi.
Khotso.
Ke kopa tshwarelo for fitla lata. I hope the news that I come with really brings light and it tlatsa ho commitment ya ntate Ntsele ho etsa Philippine City the best city ever that we've had. Ka lebitso ke kamohelo ga Moipone. Ke rongwetswe ke iFASCO Academy under the leadership of Dr. Nyangani Chabalala. O kopile ke mokopela tshwarelo o tswile sa ikutlwe hantle haholo. Empa he the mandate still continues. So I'll start by introducing iFASCO as a school and then how are we going to support the residents of Philippine City. So iFASCO is a private school. It stands for Institute for Applied Sciences and Commerce. Then we are currently situated in Vanderbilt Park, 26 Hertz. Harare private batho beso re bua ka ditšhelete empa one of the agreements that we had with Ntate Ntsele is that Dr. Chabalala and the team, I see you guys are doing a well job or a great job. Mane Vanderbilt Park who choose us child. I want to invite you guys to come to Philippine City so that you can give my people the same services that you are delivering there at IFASCO. We then sat down and deliberate on the matter to say that yes, a private school, but our primary aim is to do one amotsu imetare so that how to school in Sarona, Ohona bula other ventures, meaning that hona longwana eloreng o khona ho tswa a ya varsity, hona longwana eloreng ka maemo ha khone ho ya varsity empa re ka khona mo director a etse ebe ra kgwebo kapo a bane le skills a khone ho itshebetsa, meaning that o phamisa eng the revenue ya mo a tswa. So IFASCO Academy, it's a private school offering grades from grade R to grade 12. And then for Philippine City, there are 3 categories. Now we are prepared to make sure that IFASCO serves even the poor of the poorest, but Tabebadula Philippine City. So we're going to divide our school. Or CAPS curriculum, and then one from grade 1 to grade 9. Hansa at our school, Ochola, we're coding and robotics. Meaning that each and every year, pass grade 2. It means grade 1 passes the grade 1, level 1 yeah, coding and robotics. Grade 2, who fit our grade 9. Having our grade 9, we are saying to you guys, we then shift. We do what we call multi-certification. So multi-certification, it's a program whereby Mwana had grade 10. Okona with another skill simultaneously. Currently, my grade 10 are doing new venture creation. So the skill is being accredited by QCTO, Quality for Trades and Occupation. Again, higher grade 10 skill, which is what? New venture creation. Higher grade 11, again, whether another skill. Meaning that it's either upamisa or new venture, capo, waketo, against plumbing, plumbing, electrician, or highly wanana, hairdressing, totally makeup, joie. So it means that higher grade 12 already, coding and robotics, new venture creation, about 4 skills. And then to top it off, higher grade 12 also offer them learners, meaning that Ahonoba exposed to a lot of possibilities. And then, now coming to our commitment or our agreement. So, we divide our school into 3 clusters. I get Marco, including Haditwan Batwan. Onalban and Lemata, Onalbas Namat. So our school is going to be divided into 3, meaning that it's still one school. You are all getting the same services, but at a different level. So how does school on Sarona? Okabu wa chair Tate Shavala. Nakidula Monana, Ayua Monana, Impa, Mata Hatwan. Then we're gonna have 3 pricing categories. Category 1, Eklobaba household income, that's less than 8,000. Combined, meaning it's less than 8,000 per month. That's category 1. Meaning that price category 1, it won't be the same as price category number 2 and 3. Then you go to price category number 2. Price category number 2. Here, a combined household income monthly, that's not less than 12.5. Again, then we go under price range number 2. And then price range number 3, it will buy more than 12,500 going up. Okay, what we can assure you, I know some work at the price category, Yachosanya. Lena Kuka, the Lemini Luma, I get it with Alangahano. If we can check our current price ranges, Hashem, you are very cheap. Very, very. So, compared to the school there in Fanda Bay, private, we're now open to the school fees are true. You call on say, we're not so bad at this level of it. I don't know what the price. tsa dikolo tse ding ha ke bue lebitso le di-price batswadi empa ke re mane ka Vanderbilt dikolong tse ding ha o patetse for 2 months rona so patetse selemo kaofela akere sharp ke taba ya di-price batswadi. I cannot disclose the prices as yet akere because we still need to sit down with Ntate Ntsele re shebisane hore the MOU e re signang what does it entail in the fabric ya batho ba rona akere. But in our mind we need not to forget that we deal ka education of a black child akere batswadi. Okay mtswadi ke a bona ntse kopa fela ke qete and then we'll go to questions. And then batswadi, I wanted to speak about also some of our programs. So ona le mtswadi ya re nna se ke le moholo ngwana ka wa pasa from where a leng teng. We also have scholarships. So scholarship it means ngwana a ka kgona ho kena sekolong sa rona mahala as long as a pasa hantle a pase hantle. Then scholarship ke for bana ba ile hore ngwana ka wa pasa empa mo tswang re batla mara talente e wena o be someone in future. And then we know that in a case whereby we can let you attend the private schools, the public schools, they won't see the potential because of what? Overcrowding in classes, lack of concentration because of other external factors that will affect your psychological being again. And then if you are not mentally fit sometimes, it's not like one have had. How can you study with so we are trying to make sure that we strike a balance between the two. Even Basa so that a black child has a better future. I don't know, I think I've touched on many things without any waste of time. Can I take questions? Yeah. I can take 5 questions. So it's 1 Mtwadi, 2, 3 Papa, done. 4. Okay, there's 4. 1. Mtwadi. I get Mtwadi, as I've alluded to say that we can't deny one a chance. There are two on the basis of household incomes, but there are factors that before so that they prove eligibility. For instance, our current school fees is very cheap, but very cheap. So our current school fees is 2,000 again. But we do have other kids that are on scholarship. Everton West, you understand? They are all in the same class. But we make sure that onana umitile the criteria ya scholarship attend mona. And then this one, factor it's only based on what? Household income. Mutwadi ubata ngwana actually a better education so that abe right. But mutwadi wa ho. Number 2. Question, but what it is. So already the community here, many of us have communities, have degrees or qualifications. I get about what. I'd be lying or kaberi ringola menoka enke if we are saying Rika as school and then we come with our people. I get what must first benefit if school city monana hona around monana. The people that support and school therefore it means who are the first people to benefit from the school? It has to be the community. Therefore it means when we bring it for our school, we are going to first my security my teacher amongst ourselves. Amongst ourselves. Therefore we can't bring a school and then we say you guys are just going. It's a white elephant again. So for us to make sure that the school reserve right, we first need to employ ours first, so that when you benefit from the school, you know very well that ngwana o tlo thola part of a quality education. Again, it's someone as well just an example. Hanofa ngwana how Hano understand that your kore zilche we batlang kapo ntwe we batlang ka ngwana hao. Again, therefore, if you are supporting Tuifa school, you will then be able to ensure that quality education is indeed given to your kid. I hope ke arabile mtswadi. And then number 1, 2. Okay, Mtwadi. No, your question is answered. From our, the first one, I think I answered it. It's not going to be 3 different schools. One school, same teachers, but different pricings with it. Again, that's one. Number 2,
when I went to Dade Chabalala, I said to them, this year, but Barona, I'm sure I'll fail, but the committee aha ka December. Everyone would want to move in ka December and want kids to be there ka January. Now, what we spoke about in Nali, he said in Tele, according to what you want, now I'm flexible. If you say Chabalala, Kalaka, October, I do that. But the really hard dealing issue ya school serka se etsa mhlomoka di container wa bona seto ba quicker or ka January bana ba hle ba ke while you are building a proper school mara be re tseba hore bana sentse bana le mo ba kenelang teng. He then said no, it's fine. So that means January definitely bana ba tla bana le school.
Good. Thank you.
Sharp.
Okay, no, I'll tell you, I've clearly stated what makes us different from a normal public school. As I'm standing in front of you, I'm a product of public school. And I think most of us here can know what happens in classes in public school. There are a lot of things of which I cannot mention because there's media coverage and everything. Ours is clear. We are saying to your kid, how can I own? At the end, I grade 12. Only skill 3 learners, coding and robotics, ensuring that his or her minimum pass is the bachelor's. Meaning that one has a school in Saudi. Only 2 ventures. Has about this school, I'm not saying Baskabata school. I'm just saying if he or she doesn't have interest in furthering her studies or his studies to tertiary level, I get a skill level. Skill level mtswadi ke tsane ha ke ta matric ke ya bo frena geng ha ke tsa 6 months course o so e patala wena ke re mtswadi rona we are saying if ngwana kena le go we etsa ntsa di sekolo so that ha tswa sekolo either we tertiary level kapo he o khona ho etsa income, meaning that so I treated the business minded again to say that I've gained plan B. If I have level 1, 2, 3 ya plan B, what's the next day? Check. Here's the grade thing. If another plan B, auto server guy had a grade 12. The community of one again gains from that skill of which
When I spoke to Ntate Chabalala, I think this man is answering based on the school level. But Ntate Chabalala was going to say, because I told him, government institutions, it's a provision for those kids. We're not how informed. Yeah. Ntate Chabalala, the agreement is that a government institute, IFASCO, will apply like. They understand? A public school, IFASCO, which is going to be fully funded by the government. He's starting the process as we speak. I get the process. Then, January, all that approvals. Mara unan reassurile. I think ngamu phonela le muntu. Ke ketse jwang? Oh, ne ke re ke. So Ntate Chabalala na committee le are. Ntate, I've heard you. Babon. Ke tlo fa quality education the way we batla ka teng. So a re hopoleng bana beso hore. Ya hanyane fela. A re hopoleng hore. This is Miss Busonze. I wouldn't want my child to go to a public school. But because she wanted the best education for me. Now I'm saying government does not mean you are less fortunate. Private does not mean you are privileged. That means we're now that's the first. The second one, Banabalo man, Lori Bakena government institution. Ulo vetting, Lilo vetua. Sorry, financial status ya wito vetu. Ukas kisi mwana or kia sotle ya unali koloye kana. Unali income. No, that will be lying to yourself and even to your child. You understand? So na kwa yauri created in I mean, that one is a township, a beautiful township that you need to be part of. We yet already possible. Banabaluna on a transport. The pattern for transport. Go 500, go 700, go 900, go 1,000. Maramano can have government school. Udula's on 7 and one can has residency. Upatan kai go quick. So one can a man is jarti. Chelta the transport in. Seri say vile ke tšhelete tla mele patale bana di school fees. A ke re mara ba bona bese. Tsane ntho tla mele re be practical. La mfumana. But well I appreciate the question ya ntate. Ke tlo kopa man. Ke sa qeti ke a leboha. Ke a le leboha bana beso. I'm going to thank you until the end because le ntshepile go fihlela ka jeno. Part of our office is going to move that side. Most of the time, it's a loan to like a man that can say. It's a hair, kill cotton, like I say. Maburu, about the Philippines, you are in 20 cardinal fans. Last of last week. Yeah, sharp. Last of last week. But Kala di Keisi, Barno Batangri, when Benali review, later review. Baru Benali review, no, Eruna Rehepika Philippine, Babata Kalafat. I was Superman Kibana, Barretta. When I give an approval, develop. Some loud, it will low. When I am to come away, how about what about Kula? Catadilla Gabon. So we are Gabon. The banana or Kitota. But if Kitata is a working on how about on the fully? How about on the department? Now, Sarah, what you can. So, didn't ask for sons and a reassure rock. Can you a fellow who is waiting? I guess Calipate. Or let's say, Rata about Samat, Bamala, never by Rata Caparisa rat. But to Baba Suki di Hatsaru. Habano winner, Naga Kalaka Sebeta Kamani Kanda Dija fans. Little Pona or confident Dija fans. I must work against that. I'm telling them about our neighbors that they want to start their shenanigans. But I'm telling them that you reassured me, Boo, nothing changes. Just give them
nothing changes. We've been fighting for long now. We've been fighting for very, very long. Even when you couldn't see it, we were fighting. Nothing changes this. This project has grown to a point where it's too big to stop. It is not possible. There's too many people's lives to change. There's too many people to benefit from this for it to be stopped by people who are selfish. Nothing, absolutely nothing changes. It is moving ahead.
Thank you so much.
What's the smile saka hona tjena ka re se ka dula mo. Mara he ke ka mo hao. Bana beso. Ke tlo kopa. Ke kopa hore re le mona ne. Re kene projecteng ya isinkwa sethu for kae forever dona ke ba bang ba lo. Ke kopa re le tjena re kene projecteng ya isinkwa sethu for Philippine City. Because remember, you are the people who are going to buy from Philippine City. You must benefit from Philippine City. So ke tlo kopa re be na le commitment ya 350 tse tlo kenwang ke lona kaofela re lo execute Philippine City shop kamane isinkwa sethu. The shares tsa ka mo ke tsa lona, profit ya ka mo ke ya lona. So ke kopa hore le rona re iketsetse dintho di be bonolo. Ha re committing re le tjena hore by date as so the 350 tlamele be di kene di lo etsetsa shop, because there is no way we can develop without a shop. Akere a ke batle re bulele space ho batho ba tlo etsang di shop ba tswa ka ntle ba ba benefit rona be re sa benefit. Re hloka our own isinkwa sethu shop kamane, something that looks like bo Pick n Pay bo Spar bo eng akere, as big as that akere. So ke go par commit. Do we commit?
Yes, we do.
Ke a leboha bana beso. Mamelang he re kile ga bua ka ntwe ne re na le di option tsa o kenya di solar system. Ke bone una le company e teng kamane ya Khanya. Ha ke ba kwalle mosebetsi ka ntle, mara re tlo bana le bothata e tlo ba bona. Remember, I'm given rules and regulations by the municipality. Not every company can come and develop systems. So we're gonna have to have a way of working with Khanya to integrate with the system of Kenya. You understand? Le batho ba Kenya di system tsa Khanya ka mo. E tla be le bohloko sana re system tseo ha re di sebedise. Akere? Because they have to conform to our standards. Ke fuwe melao ka man. That is why ke re ka mane a se masakeng. Ha o tlo tla ka mkhukhu o sotheileng. Re batla zozo. And the banabeso kgwedi ena ha e fela dizozo tsane kaofela tla be di pentuwe ka color A1 e tshwanang. Una le color e dominating ka mane. Dizozo tse o tlamele di pentuwe kaofela di tshwane, tlamele be kentse sure ke grade le ditrata kaofela, landscaping is proper. So I'm saying to you guys, everything ki fuwe and tlamele ki follow a mandate. Lena ki iketse. That's why ke re motho ba tla go iketsa boithatelo ka mane. Ke tlo lwana le ene ke tlo lwana le ena ka tsela hore ba tla be ba nkentse sega saka khatane. Ke lwana le molao. Ba itse ho nna ntsele. If you do something different from what we said you must do, we are revoking the approval. So ke risk ho khotsofatsa wena o le one. I can't, because if I risk that, ke risk ho etsa gore batho ba bangata ba latlhege. So dizozo tlamele di be smart, di be clean. Hona le batho ba ileng ka mane ba allocate to ba ska kenya dizozo. Ke fuwe melao ha thwe immediately you allocate that person tlamela occupy, so that the places ka bana le ditlati ho be clean ka mo. Wa utlwisisa? Batho ba sile di side. Re le qoqeleng he side tse o re fane ka tsona. I'm being honest, yes. Emma ke ka ihlalosa. Dula fatshe. Now come say. Wa tseba ne re avoida eng? Ne re avoida ho khidile re tina side ho bile o sa dule. Yes, I understand that. That's why I decided to allocate batho ba batla go kena immediately. Now, the biggest thing kore ha o khutla re tlo allocate la engwe mme. A se go lahletswe. Ha wa lahlega. Ha o khutla ene o khutla o so le ready o roka kena ke. Ya bobedi. Batho ba leng ready tsa o kena ka dizozo. Tseba hore ha o kena ka mane. Ya pele. Zozo ya ha o tlamele be na le 6 meter poles ka side 3 meter shajelo ya fatshe e hle itshelo effectively immediately. Ha o no kenya zozo go isia fela. Una le moyo mo hobi mampe ka mane. Dizozo di a fufa. Zozo tsa batho di batlile di lemang. Re tshabana le hore Zozo a e fofile lo bolaya batho. Zozo mo eng. So safety first. Ha o tseba hore o batla o tlo kena. O ska tla o tlo kolma ka bo tsamaya. A re sa e sebedisa system eo. Motho a tlang we allocate wa kena. We allocate wa kena. Bao ba di sileng. Yes. Re tlo etsa sona he. Bao ba sileng di Zozo mo bana beso. Ha ile Zozo ka rekisa re tlo rekisa robele tjhelete hao. A re tlo rekisa robele tjhelete hao. Motho a tle a kene a occupy a etse ntho e be betiri wena o bele tjhelete. Mohlang o tlang re tjhelete ya re ka Zozo e kena go allocate a new stand. But if it is Zozo e lo re ke ya rekisa re tlo iqhaka. Re qhaka re bele ka thoko re allocate motho a right a batla mo occupy. Engwe ke bana ba se kopa re tlwelle mona ka Philippine City. Re na le batho ka mane ba tlileng ba itlaleha hore ba batla ho bula di business. Batho ba se ba butse di business, hona le batho ba batlang ho overtake business tsa batho. A re tlwelle mona o tlo sebetsa. If you are not interested in a business, don't open a business. If you are interested, come and say to us interested. Re tla allocate a specific area mo tlo bula business teng. We can't have an area in business state 20 and 21. Ki mo tlo fitla teng so se qhoma meriana. And Philippine I jwalo na di business sites come on. Remember, the business tsena tse teng di dumelletswe because di serve a purpose for now. But hantlanka a di a dula plekeng e right. We've got business sites ka Philippine City. Re na le site ya di tuck shop, re na le site ya di creche, re na le site ya ntwemolongwe ka mo. So that will be better allocated at a specified time. So I'm trying to say when we are here, we must be together. We must be more. And the Barabes, Philippine City, it's an estate. I won't trouble me go until what Drew said. No, come on, I don't say it. I won't trouble the party. I want to bumpy, come on, but I'll show you on that channel. Nada let's like you to sound do Rasa, Catella, Catao. Because Kamani Adito Sebeta, that place is going to be guided by Body Corporate. Body Corporate says, how to Sebet? You inform people. We are officing Irumela Batuka Fellow, Hames Mama, Munani Sebeti, Liskamakala, Akaleta sound from Kaja Quantilu Sanusi. The MNT. How na society you inform Boba Kelwan or Boba Kelwan can society let's come and colony to pack up the defense alone. Again, how na party inform a body corporation Badudu Banabeso Mess Mama Munali party even you are invited. Or you are not invited. Again. So I'm saying in short, Kibatauri, the man they understand the whole. This is going to be the first place ya uchincha history about Tubafali. But Tubafali balwantana. But Tubafali kidira because of Totsenyana. So come on the radicata Totse. Topila kama yoli mo rutu ande rishompa. Banabesu. Chela telta veli patala edi sebele toka man. Inali 24-hour security. Na iteba toki. Itabelika tu. Robert Koloite vum kaja. Wena ma wito balets. Utsotsi kamane akibona ayibona le ngwana nyaope hlo bue le gona re sa mo dila ka ngwana o hona tjena hobane mathatha lo ba teng kamane it's an estate, there's rules and regulations. Abana batho ba dulang mo na bana le molao ba dulang mo yena ntata na botsa dipotso o dula ka mo o a tseba hona le melao ka mo ha ona boiketsetso ka mo. It's the same thing that's going to happen kwa. Philippine City be the best out of everything. Tatwaka, last question to Amor Chokwa. Hey. Okay, done. Yeah. The reason for that is investment for your own generation to generation. Don't take it easy and it's an exercise. And I appreciate
we got a recommendation.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Amen. Amen.
Tate ba sa mutlwang. Tate o re o kopa hore this thing ya investment ya Philippine City iseng kwa sethu. Re nkele hloko ka tsela e makatsang. Because investment is very important. Batho ba bangata ba batsho ha bana botswello pele because ha ba invest. Now, Marabeso, I'm saying ho lona, we cannot have the opportunity taken by other people. Re na le bokgoni ba hore re ka iketsetsa. Wa tseba nna ke selfish. Nna ke ba jwetsitse re ka le jwetsa le lona kaofela. Ha ona material wa company o tlo kena motho a hausa re kwa Lindsay Bricks. Never. Wa tseba why? Lindsay Bricks is going to appoint bana ba lona. You understand? You guys need to understand. We need to be selfish. No one from outside can come and benefit. Hear me how many years limits in 20 years. But what fit bank mesebetsi? But what fit bank in the business? So who ba ba na sentse ba patetse material khale, it's fine. I can the limpid ya tlo go rekile ni ka tla o dumela. But now we are paying Lindsay ya 100. Mamela ke change. Ha vele ke se ya Lindsay ya ga tibeka ka mane. But ba kampa ba re ke selfish. Nna ke le so I beg not sleeping at night for Luna. Ntate wa hardware a sa tsebeng lo re tswa kae re safarile ka kang. A tlo rekisetsa batho a itse tšhelete ka rona. It's not gonna work. Auna classico. First bricky, aluminium, everything it day. Everything it day. So ke selfish ke ba tlo ya kwana le kwana. The second hardware e tlo bulwang ke motho ha ga lona mo. A ikenye ka mane. Mamela, ha re tlo dumella motho because you know, let me tell you, 75% to 80% ya di hardware ha di own ke batho ba mo. Batho ba ba etsa batswantle a beya wena ka pele. Ne ba fanda wena rona re ke hardware ya o kanta se ha. Nna se ke bone mo di operandi ya batho ba. So we are not going to allow the totseo. We are going to allow supporting ourselves. Same as Ntwenguleng di crash kamani tlo bulwa ke lona. Di mamela di tax shop kamani tlo bulwa ke lona. Guys, molo ha o tlo hira batho 80% ya batho ba tlamene ba sebetse ka ramolo ke lona. La nkutlo re ka kae 80% ya batho ba tlamene ba ahem molo o ke lona. Batho ba lo a di kontiri tsa Philippine City ke lona. Batho ba lo a nsuwa everything ya Philippine City ke lona. Bakampa ba re selfish. We are, because we stood for years re emetseng ntwe. Re sotlaile ke ntwe. Re bitswa ka mabitso ke ntwe. The next time o fitla batho ba benefit fela. Ai, hai hole Philippine, hai hole.
Hai hole Philippine.
Bana beso ke a kopa hema. Ke kopa pele re arohana. Ke kopa thapelo. Ke kopa ke re betse sefela se re kopanyang kaofela. A re keta re theole thapelo. Re bitse Ramasedi ho tloha mo re kwale. Ke a kopa he. Bana beso. Pele askisime. Ke kopa le ska tsama le sa signa di form. Ya ka je. Ah, kitchen, Abdirami. Guy. All right. Oh, Abdirami Uri. Sorry, man. Sorry. Abdirami Uri. My boxer to be one mona tafli. Adi formo. Oh, Baba Tangu two swane. All right. Ba tsebang Uri. Ba tsebang Uri. Ba tla khona o tla ga beke. Di kalokolo. We tsa fela hore le tla tlo signa ga beke. Mara ba batlang hore hle re connected today. Le kopa hle re tse njalo di company kaofela. Guys, I'm expecting each and every person wa elling member ya rona, our beneficiary Philippine City ke kopa a sign that form. How say sign that form? Ha bill ya rona e tla e re 25,000. O ska re ntate mara nna. Wa understand? Because o tla bo sa sign ke wena o tla bo sa o le source man. How the source man look at night time was sign, it's fine. But if you are a beneficiary of Philippine City and you want to enjoy all the beneficiary perks, you sign that form. Right, man? I don't know the box, it's Kenya Federal box. mme o na go a botsa na le mme ana go a botsa mo
Okay, video.
akutlwe yo hole haholo
Mogadi ka mo phomola go ke tla go fumana. Ke tlo sign ona be ditse.
ntate le tshiko o na le ntlo tse 20 ke batla mo expose ntate o na le mo ma 30 ya dintlo nama he ba tsa batho bana ntate le tshiko ba le mo 30 ya dintlo
O ka boya